Wait a minute. Can we make wind chimes out of this grater?
Yeah, we can.
Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we're going to try to make a wind chime out of this grater. And then I had gotten all of these metal utensils from an area store. So, and yes, you can get metal spoons and whatnot from Dollar Tree. The key is to get them with the, you need a hole already drilled in them. So see, these ones already have a hole in them. And the other key to this, well, there's two more keys, but I use these book rings. I'm telling you, this is so easy. You're going to love it. It's so cool. Now, the third thing that's really vital is my crocodile. I have to pop a hole. So this, you're going to laugh at how easy this is. Pop a hole. I do one on each side. So I do one in the center, and then I open up my book clip and then add a spoon or a fork or whatever, and then clip that. And then I go to the side, clip, do another hole there with my crocodile. And we're just going to do each side, right? So you have 4 utensils total. Now, were these utensils expensive? Not really. They were like $5 for 5 of the utensils, and they're pretty heavy duty. So you would get the same if you had to buy them individually at Dollar Tree. So I wasn't so mad, and I kind of love the way they look, all the things. So anyways, all right, so we did that on each side, and perfect. Now we're going to do one on this end as well. Again, you want to make sure that if you don't have a crocodile, you use a drill, but the crocodile is so easy. It's just so easy. Look at it. It makes a perfect hole. I love it. And again, the hardest part of this is opening those binder clips, or those, no, they're book clips, whatever. I got those at Dollar Tree, by the way. But see, done. Now, I do have a chain, and I put one of the book clips on, and this chain is used for like shop lights or whatever. You can get something at Dollar Tree that has a chain on it. And I just hooked it onto my book clip and then hooked it onto a spoon. And then I'm going to put another book clip at the very top of that chain, and then I'm going to hook it to the top of the handle. It is going to, that loop right there is going to be what we're going to hook to whatever in our yard. And you want to make sure this part, a little tricky, not really. You just want to make sure that the center one hangs as low as you want it. Ta-da! Look at how cute it is. Look at it. I love it. Listen, I don't know if anybody else likes putting this kind of stuff out in their yard, but look how fun. And listen, I'm going to be quiet. Listen. Stop. Isn't it so cool? I love chimes. Oh. Anyways, friends, how much fun is this? I love it. And it was so super easy. It wasn't super expensive to do. Didn't take a lot of time. And I just love it. I love it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you. If nothing else, I hope it entertained.